Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will solve revision exercise of chapter number 1, operations on sets. Question number 1, write the following sets in tabular and set builder forms. A, set of first 5 natural numbers. B, set of integers between -2 and 3. C, set of prime numbers between 10 and 30. Answers. In tabular form, these sets are A equals to first 5 natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set of integers between -2 and 3, we will write -1, 0, 1 and 2. Set of prime numbers between 10 and 30, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. In set builder form, you have to state the property of sets. A is equals to x such that x belongs to n and x is less than or equals to 5. B, x such that x belongs to z and -2 is less than x and x is less than 3. C, x such that x belongs to prime numbers and 11 is less than or equals to x and x is less than or equals to 29. You all know that in tabular form we will write set numbers in curly brackets with commas, and in set builder form you have to state the properties of the sets. In set A we have given 5 natural numbers. We will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in tabular form. In set builder form we can write x such that x belongs to n and x is less than or equals to 5. For B, -1, 0, 1 and 2. These are the integers which lie in between -2 and 3. You will not write -2 and 3. For C set prime numbers, you have to write prime numbers between 10 and 30, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. All these numbers are prime numbers. And in set builder form, x such that x belongs to P and 11 is less than equals to x and x is less than equals to 29. In set builder form, you can write limit in both way. You can use less than sign or less than and equals to sign according to the situation. Question number 2, from the sets given below, identify and write finite sets and infinite sets. You all know that finite sets and infinite sets. A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B equals to 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. C is equals to set of all multiples of 10. D equals to set of composite numbers between 10 and 30. E equals to x such that x belongs to z and x is less than 0. Answer. Sets A and D are finite sets because we can count the numbers of set A and D. Sets B, C and E are infinite sets because all these sets have infinite number of elements. Question number 3, define with examples disjoint sets, overlapping sets, complement of a set. Disjoint sets. Two sets are said to be disjoint sets if they have no element in common. In other words, two disjoint sets are sets whose intersection is the empty set. For example, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 are disjoint sets because these two sets have no element in common. Overlapping sets. Two sets A and B are said to be overlapping if they contain at least one element in common. In other words, overlapping sets are those which have some elements in common. For example, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4, 5 are overlapping sets because they have 3 as a common element. Therefore, these two sets are known as overlapping sets. Complement of a set. The complement of a set A is defined as a set that contains the elements present in the universal set but not in set A. For example, set U is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and set A is equals to 4, 6, 8. Then the complement of set A is equals to U minus A, that is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 minus 4, 6, 8. Common elements will be cancelled out. The complement of set A will be 2, 10 and 12. Question number 4. Verify with examples. Intersection of A and A complement is equals to null set. Union of A and A complement is equals to universal set. Let U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A 1, 3, 5. Complement will be 2, 4. A intersection A complement is equals to 1, 3, 5 intersection 2, 4. Answer will be null set. A union A complement equals to 1, 3, 5 union 2, 4 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is equals to universal set. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.